The thing that worries people the most, thing that keeps them up, no doubt, is a big severe fall in the stock market. Particularly people who, the longer they've been engaged in the game of investing in the stock market, the more they are aware of that big stock market fall. People who've been doing this, we've got customers that have been with us for nearly the whole 25 years, and they've been through a few falls. Some people have only experienced that for the first time now with the COVID-19 crash, the sharpest ever 30% fall in the stock market. And for the first time, they felt what it was like. And yeah, it's scary stuff. And that's what keeps people awake at night, is living through that. And from not only a financial perspective, but also an anxiety perspective as well, just what it does to your mind. The biggest benefit we provide is helping people to exit those potentially big losing positions. That is the biggest benefit